This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, July the 9th, 2011. Let's first take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system to the north and west of the state producing some showers and thunderstorms over the Dakotas into the plain states, with another storm system over the east coast and into New England. Here's the watch warning map from around 1 o'clock in the morning. You can see an expiring tornado watch over North and South Dakota into western Minnesota, and some scattered flood warnings across Nebraska and in North Carolina. Here's the severe weather threat for today and tonight. A slight risk of severe weather extends from eastern Colorado through northwestern Kansas, northeastward into Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin and the western UP of Michigan. This includes the northwestern parts of the state of Iowa and adjoining states of Nebraska, South Dakota, and Minnesota. Here's the tornado outlook for today and tonight. The 5% chance over extreme northwest Iowa and southwest Minnesota, westward into South Dakota and northern Nebraska, mainly anywhere from Sioux Falls to about Valentine. Here's the damaging wind outlook for today and tonight. A 30% chance or enhanced risk of damaging wind in about the same area as the 5% chance of tornadoes from southwest Minnesota through southeastern South Dakota, northwest Iowa, and into northern Nebraska. And that's the same goes for the large hail outlook. The 30% is in the same location from southwest Minnesota through southeastern Nebraska, northwest Iowa, and into north central Nebraska, or from Sioux Falls to Valentine. Here's the severe weather outlook for day 2. This will be for Sunday and Sunday night. A slight risk of severe weather extends from northeastern Colorado through most of Nebraska, South Dakota, eastward into most of Iowa, except the southeast, southern Minnesota, Wisconsin, and into the UP of Michigan. This will be for mainly isolated damaging wind and large hail. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, and you can see pretty much in that area where we're having some possible enhanced risks of severe weather is where the heaviest rain may fall, upwards of 3 inches of rain. We'll see if that happens. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a pretty strong shortwave over the Canadian prairies with a strong west to west southwesterly flow aloft. With that, there could be some scattered showers and storms over Minnesota extending back into Nebraska. These will move into Iowa during the evening and overnight hours tonight into tomorrow. Sunday, model shows some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the state. They'll be very isolated, likely 20 to 30% chance across the state. Monday, chances go up. This will be 40 to 50% chance as a frontal boundary will begin to stall across the state. So we'll get some repetitive chances of some showers and thunderstorms. Same goes Tuesday. Another chance of showers and thunderstorms. It won't be an all-day rain, and not everybody will see rain every day over the next couple of days. As we move now to Wednesday, same story. Decent chance of some showers and thunderstorms, mainly over the southwestern half, as the high pressure over the Great Lakes may dry out the northeastern quadrant of the state. But alas, on Thursday, the rain and showers and thunderstorm chances move back into most of the state. Better chances will be over Minnesota as a frontal system begins to move back into the state. Friday looks like most of the precipitation will be to the east of the state, and over northwest of the state will be fairly dry. As we head into next Saturday, a week from today, the 18th, here's a big 594 ridge again, so the heat and humidity will return next weekend, and with that means a lot of the moisture and rain and showers and thunderstorms will likely be north and east of the state. Although some may sneak into the state, it'll be very isolated like it has been the last few days. We move ahead further into Voodoo. Here's July the 20th. You can see a ridge still over most of the country, back building into the Rockies and desert southwest. And with that, there could be some scattered showers around. These will likely be the typical isolated summertime popcorn showers and thunderstorms that develop in the heat of the day and die out after sunset. And at the end of the forecast, July the 24th, ridge is still in place, mainly over the south and southeastern states with the main storm track over the Pacific Northwest and along the Canadian-U.S. border. And with that, there could be, yet again, some popcorn showers and thunderstorms with the main storm track to the north and most of the heavier precipitation either along the south or well up by the U.S.-Canadian border. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.